So one day I wanted to go somewhere and I didn't know what to do to my hair. I quickly put my hair in a bun like this and I went to visit someone and the person asked me, is it that you normally edit your hair? Your hair is always fuller in your videos. So I'm going to show you how I normally achieve a fuller puff. Although my hair is in a shrunken state right now, not stretched, so the puff is not going to be as big as it should. So if you ever struggle to put your hair in a bun like this, please stop it. This is not right. Even if you succeed in doing it, you're going to end up losing your front hair. So I'm going to show you how I normally do that. First of all, you're going to grab a spray bottle like this. Spray lots and lots of water on your hair. Saturate the hair with water. Make sure it touches everywhere. This is only for shrunken hair, a hair that has not been stretched. Yeah, so after that, I'm going to massage the water into the hair. So take your time to massage the water. As I'm massaging, I'm also using the opportunity to stretch and detangle the hair with my fingers. So this part is very important because you want your hair looking very neat and beautiful. So after that, I'm going to go in with my age control. So this is for those that love age control. Like me, I always love my front hair looking neat. So that's why you always see me styling my hair, my front hair with age control. So after that, I'll go in with a brush like this. I'll brush it very well. Then do not forget to apply the age control to the back of your hair. Except you like seeing all those tiny curly hairs. For me, I don't. So I apply the age control to the back of my hair too. I'll also brush it thoroughly. After that, I am going to still detangle the hair, arrange the hair. I wasn't okay with how it was before. Okay, now I'll quickly do a length check. The last time I did a length check, my hair was just above my cupid's bow. So today, my hair has crossed my chin. Hi, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with the progress. My hair needs a trim. I'm going to do that in a few days. So I go back to massaging the hair. So the next thing, I'll be using my shoelace. So you bend the shoelace into two. Let it be of equal length like this. After that, I'm going to put it round my forehead, like the front of my hair. So there is no rule to this. You can decide to put it round the back. You can start from the back, but no, I do it from the back sometimes, but today I just want to do it from the front. So you put it like that. Then you're going to pass the one of the sides through the other, like that, like what I'm doing here. So you hold it tight, make sure it is tight but not too tight. So I'm going to be pushing the hair forward from the back. I'll be doing more of pushing from the back and the sides more than the front because I want the puff to come towards the front. So as you're pushing it, remember to tighten the shoelace. So do not be in a hurry, do not make it too tight. Just take your time because the whole process will not even take you up to 2 minutes. So there is no need to rush. So just relax and do this. When you get to the size of the bun you like or the puff you like, so you just wrap around the excess shoelace, wrap it round, and the next thing, push it under the rope where it stops. Just pass it under like that. Just to keep it in place, and that is it. Then now fluff it with your fingers. So this is the final result. This is how it looks from the back. You can see the back is neat. So next time you're in a hurry, make sure you do this. This is not going to take your time. So if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and leave the comments in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.